Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Docusign regularly, you know how much time it can take to recreate similar templates over and over. Today, I'm going to show you the fastest way to copy a template in Docusign, saving you time and making your workflow super efficient. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll be duplicating templates like a pro. First, let's access Docusign. Open your favorite browser, head over to the Docusign homepage and log in to your account. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard. Next, we need to navigate to your templates. On the left-hand side, you'll find the navigation panel. Click on Templates. This will bring up a list of all your existing templates. Now, browse through your templates and pick the one you want to duplicate. Once you've selected it, look to the right-hand side of the template. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down list, select Copy. And just like that, Docusign creates an exact duplicate of your original template. All of your settings, fields, and formatting are preserved, which means you don't have to start from scratch. You can now rename the new template and make any edits as needed. This process is perfect if you frequently use similar agreements, contracts, or forms. Copying templates ensures consistency and drastically cuts down your setup time. And that's it. A quick and simple way to copy any template in Docusign. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more time-saving Docusign tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.